That's us coming into Runnymede. Got quaint. Where's the wimpy? Stop. Heavy vehicles, fresh stop. How did he go straight? I'm not sure. Someone went straight. Bloody bastard. I thought I had to turn. Yeah, I didn't reset my blessed thing, so I'll just leave it ticking. Yeah, that's 338 and I was at probably close to 200. Must be more. Only 90 k's out of Roche, so must have been 240, 250. Car wash center, Mr. Fenter. Guess there's got to be a mall or something. It's Namibian please. Nice little park. Hey. All these mining engineers must certainly want a nice restaurant to eat at. See the kids waving back of the car. Dis net mooi niks. Way below, way below. It doesn't look like a shopping centre, it looks like a store. You know, a lot of shops, man. Wave. Hospital. Just sort of going down whatever looks like to be a main road in the hope that this of course would give us some sort of shopping centre of something, but ik zie nog niks. I think we missed it. It's got to be in more, because this is now coming, feels like, to the northern edge of the town. So I'll just push around that bend. Protected resources units responsible for your dog. I've got a feeling we're just going to have to omkeer. Yes, this is the bloody mine over here. Trying up the sand dunes, so let's just find a place to turn. Yeah, this is the mine, guys. Trying up the dunes. Hier parkeer hulle. Ek doen net 'n omkeer. Everyone enjoying their diamonds? Not enough money to build a decent car park. Amazing. Oh, I'm getting a bit twitchy for food, guys, and a nice cold beer. Fantastic deep fried fish. Probably imported from South Africa. Deep fried fish and chips. Okay, let's keep looking. I didn't think it'd be that hard to find. It'll be on the main road somewhere. Must be tucked in there on the left somewhere. suppose you don't need a sign to the shopping centre because everyone bloody knows where it is. No ways you're going to get lost, yeah? Right, we're on the edge of town. On my left is desert. District office, people walking, good sign. Town council, Oranjemund, something looking promising up ahead there, nothing to the left. This is just another government office. Namdeb, yeah, so that's just a bloody, so this is Namdeb. Okay, let's keep going. And that, it does mean reverse parking, it's not reserved parking, just for the interested parties. Alright, crossing Mursa, crossing of thumbs going on here because this has got to be the last option, and I think it's the only option and the last option coming up. This is the main shopping centre area, I guess, of Oranjemund. FNB, Dairy Den, now we're talking. Fern Mart, Ambassadors for Christ, that's also good. Lekker, Handelshuis, well, Chiatos, Optometrist, Eatery and Bar, well, that might be it. Let's just look further ahead. Dairy Den, Empress Sushi, okay, that's it. Listen, there's some guys with lots of money, they all want to eat out, eh? But where they eat out is now, oh, okay, we've got some more going on here on the left. There's a pep store, I'm in the middle of the town! Oh my god, the middle of the town. Let me just go this way, just in case. And I'll omkeer up there and go back. Old Mutual. It's got to be a little stuck away nice restaurant here. Maybe it's that Ministry of Finance. Ik gaan omkeer hier so. No, just to one little look over there, because that could be a snuck away cleaning services. Okay. Shish kebab. Okay, I'm omkering right over here. That eatery seems like an option. MTC office. I'm going to go straight down because right, vital betting office, that's important. Club, that's also very important. Okay, the eatery is to the right. Let me not lose my bearings. This is the last option, this little stretch here. Woolies, Ranjemund branch of a bank, Black Diamond something, pharmacy something, Nam Post, Nam Nux. Ooh, there's a motorbike. Buy affordable. Okay, I'm going to turn. Sorry, mate. Spa. Okay, Spa. That had to be here somewhere. But I really don't feel like a Spa. E-bikes. Okay. WUUURST. Ranjemund. Greetings. WUUURST. I think I might go there. I think I might just... No parking. No one behind me. I want some shade. Love some shade. Okay, I don't think I'm going to get any shade. Or maybe on the other side of this thing. Tourism centre. Okay, I think I'm just going to prutsie right over here. Ranjemund, greetings, and there's WUUURST. We are open. Daar's my ding. Love you.